Good morning. Again, my name's Dennis with Impatient Creations, and we get an opportunity occasionally to work on some really neat Euro cars. This is an '89 Porsche Carrera Targa. Really a unique color. It's a beautiful color. It's an original color. And our charter was to get all the paint off of it and start all over again. And so we're glad to introduce this to you. It's just a wonderful, stunning example of the 80s, which the 80s had some struggles, but the Porsches maintained their integrity, and it's really, really a fun car to drive. And more than that, it is an outstanding looking vehicle. So again, this is an 80s car. It's an '89 Targa, and it's just an outstanding example of what Porsche did in the 80s. This is one of the last years of this particular model. So it's an exciting car to not only drive, but to look at. We've enjoyed the opportunity to do this, and we're working on some other Porsches for this gentleman as well. So enjoy it.